Hey everyone, this is Sean, and today I am super excited because this box just arrived. This is the Meta Quest Pro, and I am going to be unboxing it. Just a super quick video today, so let's go ahead and dive right in. So the Meta Quest Pro is actually not the successor to the Meta Quest 2, even though you might think it is. It's actually a completely different class of device. And you can tell that it is because they priced it at $1,500, which is several times more than the price of the Quest 2. This is intended to be more of a professional device, more of an enterprise grade device. And I do believe there will be a Meta Quest 3. However, this is not that device. This device is the Meta Quest Pro, intended for professional use cases. Alright, so here it is, Meta Quest Pro. Let's go ahead and open this box up. Okay, there it is. This is the Meta Quest Pro. You can see over here, we've got the protective cover. Alright, so it looks like this goes on the front. Perhaps to protect it. It's kind of odd, I suppose. I wonder if that means that it scratches easily or if it's just for extra protection. I'm not sure, but we'll hang on to this. Alright, here we have the controllers. Ooh, these are much heavier than I thought that they would be. Very, very surprising. Okay, so it looks like there's some instructions on here saying to power it on, press it for 2 seconds. See, this just peels right off. So let's go ahead and peel that off. Ooh, very satisfying. Wow, I'm amazed. These actually feel very premium. You can see on the Meta Quest Pro controllers, there's no tracking ring like the Quest controller. You can see them comparing it. The Quest 2 controller used this infrared tracking ring to be able to track. However, the Meta Quest Pro controllers uses these cameras to track the controllers themselves, track the environment. All right, right here, even with this giant ring, the Meta Quest Pro controller is already, I can tell, much heavier. Of course, I'd need a scale to verify that for sure, but it definitely feels much heavier. Feels really, really solid though. Like a really good premium product. I don't know if the battery is removable like it is in the Quest controller, but yeah, this feels really good. So go ahead and set this aside for right now. Okay, and let's see what we have in here. It's out over here. Okay, we have in here. Aha. Okay, so it looks like this is our charging brick. Very interesting. Normally it's more rectangular shaped, but this is more shaped like an oval. Okay, and then we've got the looks like charging dock. All right, so this is to charge the headset, and this is to charge maybe the controllers, perhaps. So yeah, controller charging cable is what this says right here. All right, very interesting. So we'll set this aside, and looks like we've got some instructional material in here, maybe a microfiber cloth. All right, and then hidden in here, whoop, look at this. All right, we have the stylus tips for the controller. So I think these go, if I grab one of the controllers, these look like they go in the bottom of these controllers, so I can use the controller as a pen. That's a very interesting concept. We'll have to explore that a little bit later. I think that's it for this box. I don't think there's anything else in here. Check later just in case. But that leaves us with the actual device itself, the Meta Quest Pro. So let's go ahead and pull this out. Okay, whoa, all right. This feels significantly heavier than the Quest 2. So if I grab the Quest 2, you can just see here right away the differences between these devices over here. So there it is, guys. This is the Meta Quest Pro. You can see here, there's some there's some getting started instructions. Go ahead and pull this out. Okay, so in a huge mistake, I almost threw away a very important part, which is the charging dock. But one of my friends, Jesse McCulloch, told me that I was actually missing this piece, and so here it is. This is the charging dock. You definitely want to make sure that you do not throw the box away with this in. And underneath the charging dock, you'll see here, these are the blinders so that you can block out the ambient light from your peripheral vision. And there you go, 2 extra hidden things. I'm gonna go ahead and power this on and give it a try, and I'll save that for a different video, but this video was primarily the unboxing video, and I will definitely report back with a little more information. I may even compare this device with the HoloLens 2 and see how they compare. But that's it. That was the unboxing video. Thank you guys so much for watching.